Hello guys, and welcome back to another lesson on WordPress. So in this lesson we're going to make an e-learning website, an LMS educational website using WordPress. So to make this website we're going to use some tools, and we're going to also use an individual theme that we have to download. So the theme that we're going to download is here from this website, which is called Theme Forest. So we're going to download this Eduma theme. You can see here it's $69. So you have to download this theme in order to create this website. Okay, so I've already downloaded it and I just need to install it in my WordPress. All right, so as soon as you download it, you'll get a lot of plugins that are built in with it, with the theme. So those plugins are also required to make this website. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the theme. All right, so currently if we go and visit our site, it currently looks like this. All right, so it's a blank, boring site. We have to turn this site into an e-learning site that is that shows courses and other things as well, posts and other things. So here you can see here, this is the interface, our dashboard. So first we're going to clear out our dashboard. So we're going to clear out all of these, go to screen options right here, and then just select all of these right here. Okay, once you select them, they'll all go away. Now you can see here it's clear and it looks much cleaner than before. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create or download this theme. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to upload this theme. Just go to plugins. So if you don't know what plugins are just basically that make extensions, that give you extensions. So if I go to install plugins, I don't have any plugins right now, so I'm gonna import all of those plugins. So just go to themes. Themes are basically structures for your website, and I already made an individual video about themes in my WordPress course, and also about plugins as well. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to go and add new. Click on add new, and here we're going to upload a theme. Okay, you can see here there are a lot of themes here, but we're going to upload a theme from our desktop. Just choose file and get that theme that you downloaded, and then just click on install now. All right, and it will start installing. So we're going to turn this site into a e-learning site, and we're going to use this theme right here. Okay, so once you install it, it will come up to this interface, and here from here you need to activate it. Just click on activate and this will come up, theme core installer. Obviously install this. This is a plugin that we're going to need later on. All right, once it's being installed, we're gonna go and you're gonna have this interface right here. Just go to next step, and here you're gonna change the name to, let's say, Edu Breads. Set the name to Edu Breads, and e-commerce, e-learning and educational websites. All right, so this is going to be the title, Edu Breads, and then e-learning and educational website. This is the tagline of our website. All right, just click on save and then just log in, approve. So after that is done, so we're going to go and get the plugins. So you can see here, once we come into the plugin section, you can see here all of these plugins that we want. are installed, and what we don't have, we can install them as well. Okay, so like this widget logic, if we want, we can install it, but these are all installed just like that. Okay, so if you need these, then you can install them. All right, so if you think that you need them, then you can surely install them. And like random quiz add-on, so install them if you want. Then if you want certificates add-on, you can do that. Collections add-ons, paid membership, then Learn Express, I don't need that one. Then WooCommerce add-on, all right. Authorized net.net add-on, coming soon add-on, commission add-on, random quiz, sorting choice add-on, Stripe add-on, student list add-on, Wordpress, then live course add-on. All of these if you need, you can get it. And then this Elementor page builder, we're gonna need this later, so I'm just going to install it right now. So once you get all of your plugins that you need, that are required, you can just simply go back, and then we will proceed to check up with the rest of the site. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the dashboard. So once we go back to the dashboard, you can see here all of these interfaces. All right, so we're gonna go to pages and take a look at what pages we have right now. All right, so you can see here there are a lot of pages that we have right now. We didn't have all of these pages previously. These are all add-ons with the all of those plugins that we set up. All right, so if we go to plugins, just go to plugins. More specifically, we're gonna go to installed plugins. So we're here anyways. So these are all the plugins that are activated and working right now. All right, so these are all the plugins that are activated. This one, Elementor is not activated, but we'll activate that later. Then we have Wordpress, Loginizer, and then this one is a really important one. We'll need this later. Theme Core, Theme Portfolio, WooCommerce, and then this one as well. All right, so now that is done. Okay, so if I want to add a course, for instance, if I want to add a course to my website, what I can do here is I can just go to Wordpress. You can see here this is Wordpress, and simply just go to courses. So after going there, you're gonna type click here, add new. And after that, you'll have this interface here. You have to add a new title to it, and then the contents are gonna be left here. All right, so now we're going to add a title to this site. So just give it a random title, just some random title, just for example, and we're gonna give some description here, and we're gonna get some dummy text, lorem. So from here, get some text. Just get this text right here. Paste, and let's get some more text from here. Paste. All right, let's just keep it at that. All right, then just click on publish. So now once it is published, let's take a look at how it looks like in our website. All right, so let's view the post in another tab, and see how it looks like. So if I visit it here, so you can see here, this is the post that we have here, and this is the post that we have here, just some random title. It looks like this. Okay, so you can see it looks very professional, and this is like a blog post. If someone posts a blog post, then it will look like this. All right, so curriculum, and then instructor, admin. So if someone else does that, their name will be appearing here. All right, so this is the overview. All right, so we're gonna go back to the post here. So here, if I want to edit some more, so this is already looks like a heading, so I will put this one as a heading as well. All right, just for example, I'm doing all this, so let's give it heading 4, and then not for the whole of it. Just for this part. So for some reason it's happening to all of it, so we're just going to leave it at that. All right, so just go and turn it back again. So now what I can do here is I can just select this one as well, like let's select this part, and we can just turn it bold so it looks like a heading. Okay, also this part, turn it bold just like this part is bold. Okay, so if we turn this part like this, bold. All right, now you can see that it all seems like it's a heading or it's a title. All right, so if I update it, so it got updated. Now if we go to our site and then reload this page and see how it looks. Okay, all right, so now you can see that it looks like a heading, so it looks more like a blog now. Okay, so now if we scroll down, you can see here we have some more options here. So the first option here is the curriculum option. All right, so in the curriculum option, if we go to our site, you can see here this is the curriculum option right here. All right, so here what we can do here is we can actually divide in sections or lessons here. All right, this is the curriculum option. All right, so here what we're going to do here is we're going to create a section. So create a section is let's just name this section 1. So once we created it, if we go and reload it, or if first we have to update it, so once it is updated, if we go here and then we reload here, there should be a section here called section 1. All right, so it's empty, so we're going to go and add more. So here the section wasn't added, so we're going to create another one. 1. So after pressing enter, the section is added. Now we're going to update it. If you want to rename it, you can do that. Okay, so now we're going to reload this part. Go to curriculum. Now you can see that there is this section added, so you can add more sections here. For instance, if I add more section, create a section, then create section 2, press enter, and it will be created. All right, so once it is created, just go and update. And here we're going to reload it. So section 2 hasn't been added yet, so update it again. So once updated is done, we're going to go and reload this page again. So go to curriculum. So after creating the sections or lessons, we have these general settings right here. You can see here duration set to 0 for lifetime accent. So what is the duration? Then block content. Now block content is actually if the students, if they watch it and then once they're done watching the videos, will it get blocked? Will they able to go back to that video again? So that is basically block content. So I'm not gonna select block content because it's not good. Block the course after student finish this course. No, I'm not gonna block it when the duration expires. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that. Allow repurchase, allow users to repurchase it. Okay, no problem. And then we have level for how many, which level is this course meant for. So to do that, if you can just give it beginner level. All right, so after that, fake students enrolled, and then maximum students enrolled. We don't have any students enrolled right now, so we're just going to leave these be. Finish button, allow showing the finish button when the students has completed all items but has not passed the course. Okay, so I'm just going to keep that. External link, duration info. So how much time is the video or the course is. So if it is 3 hours, then 3 hours. Let's type in 3 hours. All right, so then we have which language is the course. It's gonna stay in English. Then media intro, if you have any intro for the media, then you can add that. All right, so once that is done, we have more here. So then we have is the assessment. When the course results come, how are you going to show it? Evaluate via lessons, or evaluate via of the final quiz, or passing grade, which is the passing grade. So whichever suits you, evaluate via lessons, or then passing grade, which is the passing grade you're gonna give. So passing grade is 80. Let's just keep it 80. All right, so after that, we're gonna go to pricing, regular pricing, set price, regular. So the price of the courses will be enrolled here. Okay, so regular pricing, let's say $10, or let's make it $20, a bit expensive. Sale price would be $10. All right, there is no enrolled requirement. Students can see the content of all courses items. Yes, that's not a problem. We can do that as well. Okay, and then we're gonna go to author. So whoever the author is, so let's just keep the admin as the author, as me. All right, now that is done, if you want to add a featured image to this course, you can do that. Just set feature image, go to media and upload some files from your image gallery, whatever gallery you have. All right, so just go and upload these files. I'm just using some dummy pictures, so it's not an issue. So I'm just using some dummy pictures to use them. So it doesn't go with the topic, but still it's an example how to do it. So this is the featured image. So once we click on update, this image will be featured in the course or in the lesson right here. So it's updated now. Now we're going to go and reload the page. Now you can see that it is posted here. The feature image is also posted as well as this post as well. Okay, all right, so this post is posted perfectly. You can see here's the pricing. So normal pricing is $20, but we're selling it in $10, and people can buy it like this. All right, so here is the lectures, 0 lectures, quizzes, duration 3 hours because we gave it. Skill level is for beginners, language is English, students 0, assessment yes. All right, so then we have curriculum section 1, and then instructor is the admin. Okay, so you can set it to yourself or give your own name, no problem. And overview is this. Okay, so this is the whole course. All right, so now that is done, if we have changed anything, we can just update it now. All right, so we're gonna go to this quizzes, and we're gonna create a quiz, and I'm gonna show you how you can create a quiz on here. Okay, so here after you come to quizzes, just click on new quiz, and it's gonna take you to an interface like this. Okay, so you can actually create a quiz like this. So here you can give it a title like let's give it question 1, and let's give it some text over here, and we're going to take some dummy text from here, copy and then paste it here. After that is done, you can create another question here, and let's say you want to give this what is WordPress, and you can select the type. Is it true or false, or single choice or multiple choice? I'll just give it single choice. All right, once that is done, we can actually set this up. So add options. So first option is we can add this option, like first option is going to be a theme, a plugin, or let's say tool, or website builder. All right, so correction is this one. Let's keep it at this one. Okay, so after that, if you want to add a description, you can do that, or if you want to add more questions, you can do that. Duration, so these are all passing grade is 80. I already showed you this. All right, so once that is done, you can just click on publish, and it will get published. So once it is published, we can actually view this post. If we go and view this post in our website and see how it looks. So it says, sorry, we can't find the page. So it has to be some internal problems. So that's basically how you create a quiz. All right, so I'm not going to show you how the whole process, how I'm going to post the quiz. So we have come this far, but we haven't still selected the payment gateways. We haven't set the payment gateways yet. So what we can do we can just go to, you can see here, Wordpress, and beneath here there is this option called settings. We're going to go to settings, and from here we're going to set up our payment gateway. All right, so here you can see here currency. We're going to select the currency as US dollar. All right, so everything is going to be in that curriculum. So after you've done that, you can just click on save settings. After saving, you can go to courses. Okay, all right, so in courses Now here there are these basic settings here. We're just gonna leave this like that, but here you can see here we have the archive page, which is going to be the page that you're going to visit in course. So it's gonna have all the courses pages. All right, so we're going to set this as a course page. All right, so we're going to create a page. Just go to pages and just add new page. Open this in another tab. So once you're here in the pages, we're going to close this one, and we're just going to simply create a page called courses. Once it's done, just click on publish and it will get published. Okay, courses is live now, so we're going to go over and make this our archive page. So after that, we have the profile here. You can see here avatar dimension is going to be that. Enable login form, yes. Enable login, enable register form as well. Enable default fields, first name, last name, and display name, all of them. Custom register field, if you want a custom register field, then you can add that, or else they'll make it one for you. All right, so save settings. So once that is done, we can go to payments. So if we go to payments, so in payments, you can just check out guest checkout, enable guest checkout. We're just gonna keep it like that. Account login, enable the login from the in the checkout, and then account creation as well. Okay, so payment methods is PayPal is the default, and offline payment also. Make an offline payment, make a payment with cash. All right, so save changes. So you can see here in general there are PayPal and then offline payment. Okay, PayPal is electronic payments, it's system. So once that is done, payment methods are completed. Just click on save settings. Once it's saved, just go back to the dashboard. Now clear out the dashboard. All right, so if you have all of these, then just clear out the dashboard. It's like that. All right, okay, so now the technical part of the course or the tutorial video is done. All right, so we have to now make a home page. Okay, so we're gonna need a home page to display all of these, okay, courses, and to display this pages structure. Okay, so you can see here we have to create a home page. To do that, we're gonna go to pages and just click on add new page, open it in a new tab, and after it comes up, we're just gonna name this home. And once that is done, so another thing that we have to do here is, you can see here it's written here template, so it's in default template, so we're gonna change it to home page. All right, so once that is done, so now simply just creating this home page is not gonna make this page a home page. We first have to publish this page, just publish it, and then we have to set this home page as a default home page of our site. Okay, to do that, just go to here and settings, just go to reading. Once you're in the site, you can see here this interface here. It says your homepage displays. So your latest post, we're going to change it to static page, and the home page is going to be the page that we created right now, which is home. All right, so once it's done, we can just save changes, and now this page here that we created is the home page. All right, that means once we visit our site, it's going to show the home page first. So the home page is going to be that page. All right, so once it is loaded, so now it's loaded, saved, and we're going to visit our site. Let's see where it takes us. It should be a blank page. All right, so you can see here, this is the blank page, this is the home page or the blank page. All right, so we're going to create the home page and we're going to edit this home page. All right, so now we're going to go back to our pages, and if I go to all pages, I'll just cut this off. And also we're also going to go to the installed plugins. So go to installed plugins. So this is the page. So if we want to edit this page, we can just click it there. And in the plugins, we should have, so we don't have the Elementor. So we have the Elementor. So we're going to activate the Elementor website builder. So once Elementor is activated, we're going to use we're gonna go back to our page here. We're gonna reload this page. Just reload this page. So once it's related, now since we activated Elementor, there's this option called edit with Elementor. We're gonna go there because we're going to edit this with Elementor. Okay, so it's gonna open in Elementor. So once you open it with Elementor, you'll find this interface right here. Okay, so this is the interface. Just cut off the navigation. All right, so here in the widgets, what we're going to do here is we can just simply drag and drop all of these options here. So to get started, I want to add a big gallery here, or not a gallery, actually a background image right here. To do that, I'm just going to select let's select image. All right, so this is image, so or image box, or maybe just select image. And first we're going to add a structure here, and here we're going to add the image. So I can't add it here, so I'm going to add another one. All right, so now I'm going to add an image section. All right, here I'm going to add another option, an image. So I'm just going to choose an image and upload it. So you can see that the picture is being uploaded now, and we're gonna wait until it is uploaded. So now that it's uploaded, we're going to select this picture, and now we can see that it is in the background here, the picture. All right, so here the picture is coming. So if we want, we can put it to medium or small. Just keep it like that. All right, so I want to add some sections over here. So now what I want to do here, I want to add some text here. So to add text, I'm just gonna go back here, and here I'm going to add some text. So I'm just gonna use this text editor, and I'm just going to paste this. Wait, I'm going to first set this image to large. And now I'm going to set this back. All right, so now I'm going to set this image. I had to, so simply you just have to go ahead and select this here. Now from here, if I want to add a video, I can create a lesson. You can see here this lesson is created here, and inside this lesson, if I want to edit this, I can just go ahead and click on edit this lesson. Just click on edit an item, and it will take me to another window where I can add a video or media file. And to have a media file, you can just go to YouTube. So now you can see that this lesson has been created. So this is actually a section. So we're not going to name this lesson 1. We're going to name this section 1. Section 1. And this is the lesson. Alright, so we're going to edit this lesson. And if I go here, I'm going to go to another page where I can add the media. Okay, so here I can add the media. So once I'm here, I'm going to add a link here from YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to add a link here. Just go to YouTube and then search for a video, any type of video. So once we're in YouTube, I search for how to make a website in English. So in the filters, we're going to give Creative Commons, because Creative Commons are videos that won't be any copyright issues. You won't get any copyright issues from them. So just get one of these videos, whatever you like. So let's just use this one. Alright, so once you enter into the video, what you can do here is just pause the video and right click, and then you're going to copy the embed code. Alright, so copy the embed code. Once it's copied, you're going to paste it here. This is the embed code. Alright, so once it's done, you're going to update it. Alright, so once you update it, it's going to be posted like that. So we're not going to name this test. We're just going to name this lesson 1, and then just type in whatever you want here. All right, just type in that, anything, and then update again. So once it is updated, you can see here this is updated now, and we have the media right here. We can actually view the post. We're going to open this in a new tab and see the post, how it looks. So you can see that the lesson is added now. Okay, so the video isn't showing right now, but it will take some time, but it will come around. Okay, so that's how you add your lessons like that. All right, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you want to go and explore this website more, you can do that. So you can see here, learn courses online, and if you don't want this title to be like this, you can change that. Just go to the dashboard. Just from there, you can just go to first go to appearance, then customize. In the customize, we're going to go into the site identity and change the title of our site. So here, if you want to add a new post, you can just go to Wordpress and go to courses. If you want to give a course, post a new course, just like this that I posted here earlier, I showed you guys. If I go into this course, it will show how I made this course. So here you can just go ahead and add new, and it will just take you to this place here. So how to make new themes. Just for example, I'm just giving this title and just type in whatever, and then you can just set everything here. And if you want to add a featured image, you can add a featured image. So I'm just gonna add one from my library, or whatever I have in my library. I'm just going to add one from here. So from here I can just add any type of images, like this one, just set featured image. So after you do that, you can just go ahead and publish it. So once you've added this course, we can just go ahead and go back to the main home page. And you can see that this is now published. And if we just refresh it, you can see here this course is added here. I just added this one right here. You can see this is the featured image, and this is the course that we posted right here. Okay. So if you click on it, you can go back into that course, and then you can just see this course. Okay, the students can get this course, and it is free because I didn't set any price here. So if I set a price, it would be just like this one right here. This one, it would be like $10. Then I just made this free, so it is free. Okay, so you can make courses like this. You can make it free, or you can make it premium. That's your choice. So that's how you add courses, and that's how you make this website. It's pretty easy. Just use that theme or child demo website, just apply it, and then you will get this course, and then you can add courses here. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys learned something. And please make courses like this. If you want to make online e-learning sites, you can make it very easily like this. Okay, so please practice at home. If you face any troubles, you can contact us, no problem. All right.